So I have spent probably at least a month to two just trying to find some good LED masks and also something that's good for your neck and your chest. And so what I want to do in this review is just show you everything about this, why I picked it, and so that way you'll get a good idea of if this is something that you want or not. Now what I like about it right away is the material itself is just really nice and soft. One thing that was important to me, I wanted something that was easy to use. It had a good warranty on it. Now what I like about this is for your neck and your chest. Of course, this is for your face. So they are similar in several ways. Of course, they do both come with chargeable cords here for the controller, which is right here. It does come with a little soft storage bag here. Now the neck and the chest, what I liked about it was that it does come with a little extension here, because when I try to put this on, it's a little tight for my neck, but with this, it's just fine. With my wife, it works out really well. Both of these each have 320 LEDs. The material itself it's very flexible. You can see here what it looks like on the back side here. Now, something was really important to me when I was doing my research. This actually has 4 wavelengths. Now with 4 different wavelengths, the wavelengths are amber, red, deep red, and near infrared. So that's going to hit the different areas of my skin. So what this is going to be good for, the treatments which I was looking for, were wrinkles, fine lines, which I'm definitely getting those, skin texture, redness. And what you're going to do is use this for 3 minutes, 3 to 5 times a week. I mean, it's super simple to use. So for instance, I'm going to go ahead and turn this controller on. The LEDs come on. You'll see I've got a timer right here at 3 minutes. And after 3 minutes, it goes down to 0 and turns off automatically, so there's no guessing. And we've also got our battery indicator right up there. So when you are going to charge it up, you just connect it to that port and get it all charged up completely. So you can see the LEDs are going to be up through your neck. And then of course, this is going to be all along your chest area. Something to keep in mind though, is that when you put this on, you don't want to do it over clothing. It needs to be right up against your skin. So what I typically do is I'll just kind of tuck this underneath my shirt. And of course, I'm wrapping this around my neck. You just want to make sure you don't have any makeup on either, especially that's important with the mask. And to clean it, you're just going to take a damp cloth, just kind of wipe it off, and then you're good to go too. Now, let me turn this off here and turn the mask on. This has eye protection. What that does, it's going to keep these LEDs from kind of shining on your eyes and bothering you. This is flexible too. You see we've got some LEDs right here where your nose would be. And what I do, since it's only 3 minutes, I put this on when I'm sitting down, maybe reading a book, watching television, or when I'm on the computer. And before you know it, 3 minutes has gone by without any problem whatsoever. And these little eye cups right here, they just pull right out. And it's really hard to see, but it actually has an L and an R. So you're going to know which one goes where. The L and the R, they're going to be right up at the top. And so that's how you're going to go ahead and put these in. Now, it does generally take around 4 weeks for maybe for some skin tone and acne, for things like that to be worked on. Now, all these straps that are Velcro, it is real nice and soft, even when it's up against your skin too. Now, one thing I noticed from my research is that it generally takes about 4 weeks to have any improvement in skin tone and acne. And then generally around 8 to 12 weeks to notice any difference with collagen and elastin. It just takes your body a while to start producing the collagen and elastin. So that way you can make your skin just that much fuller and more elastic. I do like that these are just nice and comfortable to wear. They're easy to put on, and 3 minutes goes by really quick. They do have 320 LEDs, 4 wavelengths. It's going to hit all the different layers of skin, and that makes it perfect. And these even come with a 1-year warranty, which is really important to me.